we're gonna install ambient lighting right here, because they're supposed to be on the higher models like the XSE and whatever. There's an ambient lighting right there. So I got my light. I ordered on eBay. It was like, shouldn't be more than 30 bucks, to be honest. There's like a lot of options, but this is it. It's got three places where it clips. The light itself is in there, and then we have the connection. The connection, it's split into two. If you guys see right now, this is off, right? With the lights are off, but the moment you turn on the lights, right, that turns on. So basically what this is, it's gonna use the power from that light, and when you turn it on, you know, at night, you're also gonna get the LED bar to turn on, and then that's how you're gonna get your ambient lighting. You might be wondering, I guess, if it's gonna work for your car. This should work, because you're gonna use the same connection from that. Gonna come into here, split it in two, and then give power to this one. The kit came with this. We're gonna remove this whole trim right here. Goes all the way here, and it's gonna come out in one piece. So we're gonna remove that, and then we're gonna remove this, and then we're gonna remove this one right here too. Okay, so I found one, I guess, weak point right here. So you're gonna go right here, but you gotta kind of make sure this goes in there. Hold on. Just like that, and see everything, pretty much everything just popped out. Okay, so from there, for this one, the clips are like that, so you're just gonna pull back like this. I guess be careful with your car, do it at your own, you know, pace. Then this is the last one, and then just for reference, this whole part is actually very delicate, so make sure when you're pulling it back, you know, once you remove this part, you actually have space right here to work through, and just do it like slowly. Okay, so you're just gonna pull back. Hold on. Okay, so so you're gonna pull back like this, and then same thing, just pull it back, and then everything just comes off. You look here, you go in, go in. You see this hole right here, and you look through there towards the little bit of the right. You're gonna see that connection right there, and you can stick your finger through here, right? And then basically you're gonna remove that clip, because I guess that's the light. It's up there, and then you go down here. That's where the light is. So you're gonna unplug that. So I'm gonna use a screwdriver and push this down, and then use my finger to pull everything back. Okay, so that worked. I used the screwdriver to push that in. So basically this top part is what you gotta push down, and then you just pull it back. Goes okay. So you guys see on this one, the one with the vent, right, goes here. So if you guys see here, there's 1, 2, 3. Okay, so this is where these are gonna slide in. Okay, so you guys see the 3 slots were able to slide in there. We're gonna test fit it. Okay, so when we test fit it, right, we put it back in, and if you guys see this part where the connection is, it's actually got some space so that it goes back. So that's good. That's exactly how it should go. And if you guys were to put it on this side, it wouldn't be able to. It would be blocked right here with this plastic. This, I'm gonna run it in here. So obviously one is a female and one is a male. I don't fucking know which one to call which, but one is to put it in, and then one is that puts it in. That's the way I'm gonna put it. Okay, so I got this, right? So obviously we need the original part, which has the power, right? We need this part to power our wire. So obviously, since this part is the in part, the part where it takes something in, this is, we're gonna plug this part right here. Since this part is gonna be powering our whole harness, then we can use this part of the harness to plug it into the connector where originally this one was. There you go. So it's plugged in. So like I said, now we have power to our whole harness, and then from this we're gonna plug it in into the glove box. So finally I was able to connect it. So I'm just gonna feed the cable more in there, and then I'm gonna put everything back. Oh, actually you see it right here, so don't need to do that. But just make sure there's no cable like on the way here to put the vent back, just like that, and then you're gonna slide it back. So now it's just pushing everything back just like this, and it's already back on. So obviously the light is down here, and the cable I'm gonna leave it there, because if I feed it here, it's gonna block the light actually. So I'm gonna leave it there, and I think it shouldn't be a problem for this part to pop back in. So we're gonna do that. Okay. Same thing. Alright. And then we're just gonna put our last piece. Okay, so the video cut, but that's it. Oh, there it is, right. I don't know, figure. Oh, there we go. No gap. There we go. So it's, everything is back. And now we're gonna test this. Real test right now. We're gonna turn on the light. And there we go. Alright guys, so it looks really nice. I really like it. It really matches the color